shoes. So today is first game for Kuya Caleb and Troy. Troy, you gotta put your shoes on. But bring your slippers.
I said right foot.
Just put right there on the floor. So we are getting ready, guys. Yes, you're coming.
Is Troy coming?
Yeah. Duh. Troy is playing, so he needs to be with us.
Is Kuya coming?
Mom,
Yes, Kuya's coming too.
there are you gonna bring these?
Huh?
There.
Cheese.
Stop.
I just want to.
I know, but stop.
Just gonna organize it.
You got your two cleats? Alright, put it on, Troy. Put it on. Put it on. Your cleats. You gotta put that on. And then when you're done playing, you can take it off and put your slippers on.
Why?
That way you're not gonna oh my gosh. Now you that way when it's time for Kuya Caleb to play, you're gonna cause last time we forgot to bring you shoes. So guys, ito yung mga dadalhin natin. Of course, we have snacks, drinks, and itong sunscreen. Kasi last week, nung nagpunta tayo sa grid, Kuya, turn off the light. We kinda
I was gonna give you your.
we kinda get a little bit of sun kasi wala tayong sunscreen. So this time we're bringing sunscreen. So we are going dahil Troy's game starts at 12 and kailangan nandoon sila by 11:30.
Is it 11 or 12?
Huh?
Hey, Mary Foxy here.
Troy, bring your slippers.
Okay.
Where's the other one?
Well.
Where's the other slippers?
Turn the TV off.
Yeah, turn the TV off. There you go. That way, you're gonna wear slippers when you're done playing. Don't forget your cleats. All right, are we ready?
Yep.
Is everybody ready?
Yep.
I got the key. Turn off the light. Check the room, Kuya, please.
My purse. And I got my bee.
Okay, atin niyo si Princess. Show them your outfit, girl.
I need.
All right, go. Let's go. Let's go. No, I got that. Okay.
Kuya.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
In the room.
Kuya.
He's in the room.
Oh, we should have that.
All right, go.
Whip.
Oh my gosh, Troy, you didn't even fix your hair. Go. Go. Go.
Open it.
Open the door.
Mommy, come on.
I'm coming. Aray ko.
Someone get in my eye.
Huh?
The sun will get in my eye.
The sun won't get in your eye.
Because my sun's off.
Oh. All right. All right, let's go. Ay, ko sinisipon pa tayo. Dalian mo naman, girl. Go!
Mama coming.
No. She's not coming. She has something.
Thinking
Alright.
here.
Get in, sissy.
Music.
So, ayan guys. Ready na tayo.
You'll be so happy.
Oh, my back.
Caleb, are you ready? Come on, we gotta go.
I'm over. Sissy, is it hurting you?
Yeah.
I'll just leave one out.
So yung game guys is not that far. Kung saan tayo nagpa-practice,
Just at the practice.
doon yung ating game. So they called it home game. So let's go. Is everybody ready?
Yes.
Are you guys ready to go?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, Kuya, are you ready?
Yeah.
Of course, they're not.
I am.
Kuya is.
Okay, can you play music?
Let's go.
No. Are you watching something?
No, he's not.
Can we play music on Mom's phone?
No. So, ayan guys, andito na kami. So, nag-message yung coach ni Troy. Late na daw siya. Ay! Car! Late na daw si Troy. Kaya, ayan. In a hurry tayo. Come on. Oh, well, you need to hurry up, girl. Bless you. Are you ready, Troy? So, yung uniform nila, Troy, wala pa hanggang ngayon. Yung kay Caleb, nandito na. So, kaya, mamaya, kukunin natin yung uniform niya. Yung kay Troy, hindi pa dumadating eh. So,
Red?
yeah.
So I need to be big.
Yes, you need to be big. Come on, Sissy. Alright, hold on. I think we had to pay. Alright. Ayan na. Dali, Troy, hurry! Oh, Troy! Uh-oh, coach gonna carry you.
Can't walk on the track.
Oh! Tignan yung binuhat si Troy. There you go. Tignan yung dalawa. Kukunin namin yung mga gamit, guys. Hindi mo muna kasi namin binitbit. So guys, nagdala-dala ako ng sunscreen. Nakakalimutan ko naman lagyan ng sunscreen si Troy kasi nagmamadali tayo dahil yun nga, diba, nag-message yung coach kung mag-game daw ba si Troy today. Kaya yan, nakalimutan natin. So, you bring these. So, iniwan lang natin tong mga... Uy! Be careful!
Sorry.
Talaga to. So, iniwan lang namin... give me that. Jeez. Dahil, tag na to. No, I'm gonna put your phone right here for now. That way, you're not holding it like that. And why are you holding snack? Put the snack in here. There's more like that in there. So, see, ang bigat, girl. Ang bigat. Andito kasi mga drinks namin. So, ayan, tara. Let's go. Hindi na ako nagdala ng ng stroller or ng wagon kasi mahirap magbitbit dahil mahirap magbitbit dahil solo tayo today. Solo mom tayo today. Walang daddy, walang kahit na ano. What?
Remember this for later because like our number is 38 and like we will be coming back for
Inginit kay Lug.
Caleb's football year.
Alright. Mamaya na ako magbablog, guys. Dahil ang hirap bit-bit nitong hawak ko tapos hawak ko ang phone ko. Ang hirap. So, yeah. Ang hirap. So, ayan na, guys. Nagpunta na sila doon sa may Panther kasi magi-start na. Ayun si Troy running. Ayun si Troy excited. First game niya, guys. Ito naman to na madaling kumain. Parang tanga guys, no? Naging emotional ako.
I'm just gonna stand in here.
Siguro dahil first game ni Troy, first ano niya, kaya naiyak ako. Oh my God! Kaya medyo naiyak-iyak ako. Kasi first time niya to. Iba pala yung feeling, no? Nakakainis. Wait na lang pag nag-school na siya, mas lalo akong iiyak. Parang tanga. Hold this umbrella. Hold the umbrella.
Alrighty, let's
Parang
make some noise for the Panthers
puta.
again.
Woo!
15, Cashton Belcher.
Parang ewan eh.
Number 35, Kingsley Combs. Number 23, Troy Robertson. Number 14, Remington Scarborough. Emma Church.
So, number 23 yung number ni Troy, guys.
Phoenix Justice.
So, nakuha niya yung kanyang number 23
Kinsley Lester.
nung dahil birthday niya November 23. So, nakuha niya
Bailey
yung number
Lockhart.
niya. Oh my God, exciting!
Finley.
So, ayan guys. Si Troy na. Kapasok na siya. Ayan. So, ayan na yung score guys. 24-18. So, atin yung 24 home. Ayan. Ayan si Troy guys. Kung nakita nyo, na-push siya. So, na-push siya first time. And, na-push na naman siya. So, I feel like gusto kong pumunta doon para i-push yung batang nag-push sa kanya. Like, seriously. Ako lang ang pwedeng mag-push sa aking anak. Joke. Ayan si Troy guys. Wala siyang flag eh. So guys, talo tayo guys. Kasi last ano na lang pinatalo nila yung Natalia.
Let's make some noise for our Panther flag team, guys.
30 seconds. Woo!
And our mascot cheerleader.
Ayan, so talo tayo. But it's okay. Yeah, you're gonna drop your But that's
Hey, Rev,
okay.
how much time you need?
So, yun guys, at least nag-enjoy si Troy. Hindi lang siya nag-enjoy dun sa na-push siya. So, si Caleb naman na mag-game ay nalaro beta. So, dito talaga tayo all day. So, ayan. As in, na-push talaga si Troy ng bonggang-bongga. As in, like, gusto ko talagang pumunta doon para lang talagang yung batang nag-push sa kanya.
Hi, everybody. Alligator Gamma.
Uy, puta kayo. Ayan na naman. Natumba na naman si Troy. Ano ba yan? Natumba na naman siya.
But after
Napaka-clumsy din kasi eh.
and
Oh,
the
yung
case
tinan mo.
is windy.
Diyos ko tong anak ko. Hi.
I got it.
Hi. Here, I'll hold this one. Alright.
They got it.
Alright, you go. Let's go sit down and eat that.
Yeah.
You got, what do you have? Yeah. Yeah.
Adeline Justice.
Troy. So did you like it? Uy, bless you. Did you like playing?
Casey
Yeah?
Mills.
So,
Lee Rose.
huh? You got hurt 2 times? So did you?
They pushed
Yeah, mommy saw that. Yeah, the kid. Yeah, the kid pushed you, huh? 2 times. Natalia, I said if you got hurt. Ha? So, yeah, nakakuha si Troy ng snack kasi after the game may mag-volunteer na kung sino yung pwedeng magbigay ng snack for the kids. So, ayan. Hilo!
It's windy.
Then turn it up, then close it. So guys, nakuha na ni Caleb ang kanyang uniform. So mag-change na tayo kasi start ng game nila is 2:30. Troy, Sissy, wait! Itong dalawa. Naiirita na ako dito sa dalawan to. Wait! One! No. So guys, nandito na kami sa car para mag-change. You wanna change? Oh, you wanna take your socks off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Head.
Okay.
Alright.
No. You didn't bring any slippers. I told you to bring your slippers. You got it? Come here, let me fix it. No. Come on. So guys, no, just stay there. So guys, ito yung ano ni Caleb.
25.
Yung number niya is 25. Birthday niya 25. Okay, get down. Just put your shoes on now. Come on.
I'll just keep them untied.
No, you stay here. Kawawa naman si Kuya Chad. Stay here. Stay there. Stay there. There. Don't go nowhere. This is so hard pag mag-isa ka lang because you had to take everybody else and do this at the same time. Put these up.
I like them.
Sobrang mahirap, guys. But the things that we do for our kids is right. Hello. Wawa naman si Kuya, nag-iisa doon. Hindi tayo kasi pwedeng...
He might be on his phone.
No, I told him to put his phone up, so... Puro na lang din cellphone kasi si Kuya. Alright, come on.
Wait, Mom. I forgot.
I don't get down.
In the cave? Yeah. We can't go in the cave with girls. Unless we want to chill.
Go sideways.
Go.
Pick it up. Got it? Is it all the way up? Nah. Get in there, like I said. Now. Get in there. Get in there. Is that tight enough?
Like a jail.
Parang ingat.
Black Kobe tree, black Kobe tree, run.
Ay, ang init. Ang init. Alright, your arm first. Oh, roll. Go. The other one. Go.
It's a bit big.
Sila may sila ka. Oh, 25. Turn around. Robertson, 25. Galing nga.
25.
Ang ganda ng uniform nila, oh.
Boy, come back. I need to check.
Alright, let's go back in there because Kuya's waiting. Come on. Ayan na si Kuya Kelo. Pupunta na siya sa team niya. Run, Caleb! Run! Ay, so, ayan na guys yung team ni Caleb. Ayan na, nagre-ready na sila. Kasi, ano na lang, 2 minutes na lang. Ilan na lang. Ayan na yan ang score ng C-team. Ayan sila.
Let's make some noise for our B-team football. Number 25, Caleb Robertson. Number 18, Jackson Robertson.
Ayan guys, hanggang ngayon nandiyan pa rin si Caleb, hindi pa siya nagpe-play. Kasi yung mga coach nila is suspended. Ayan guys, finally pinapasok na nila si Caleb. And we are on, ano na, 3rd quarter na tayo, wala pang mga score. Ayan si Caleb. Right there. Ano siya, blocking. Caleb. So guys, tignan nyo. Buti na naka-score na, tignan nyo. 6-0. And yung, 21 seconds na lang. Oh my gosh. Malapit na tayo umuwi. Ayan guys, tignan nyo yung score. 6-6. Wala nang time. So, oh my gosh! Ayan guys, so pinapasok na lang si Caleb. There's only go Caleb! Holy crap! So guys, we are done. So after all that, natalo. Aray ko, natalo pa din. My goodness. Like, natalo pa rin after a long natalo. Kaya uwi na tayo. My goodness. So let's go home. Is everybody ready to go home? How was your first game, Caleb? Sucks, right?
Yes, because his team allowed them to win.
I know, right? Alright, let's go home.
And it's a cheap shot.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Everybody buckled up. We're going home and shower. So it's almost, ano na, 5 o'clock. So it's 4:58 na.
Was it in the afternoon?
Yes, in the afternoon.
Do that again.
Are you going or no?
Do that again. Can you
Go
rewind
ahead, go ahead. Confused mo naman eh. Go ahead.
Rewind it again.
Epal ka eh. You're not paying attention eh. Itong epal, itong babaeng ito. Alright, let's go home. So guys, kanina pa kami nakauwi and nakaligo na yung mga bagets. And lahat sila nakaligo na.
Can I go?
Yeah, you can go. And then, si Daddy, pauwi na siya and he's bringing some pizza. So, sabi ko na lang mag-bring na lang siya ng pizza on the way home dahil ako'y pagod na. Alam nyo naman, solo parent tayo this morning. Kaya, kailangan, lahat, pupunta ng bathroom, ganyan. At least, na-survive ko siya na ako lang mag-isa. But, yeah. So, I'm so happy kasi normally kasama ko ang aking mother-in-law na manunood, but this time hindi siya sumama kasi meron siyang birthday party na pinuntahan, so hindi siya kasama. And yung asawa ko may work din siya, so ako lang talaga, yeah, me, myself, and I. So na-survive ko mag-isa, pero mahirap. I'm telling you guys, sobrang hirap kasi I have to take care of Troy. Tapos, another game na naman, I have to take care of Caleb, get him ready. Kaya, sobrang hirap kasi, alam mo yun, yung pwesto na pinupuan mo, ayaw mo na may ibang kumuha ng pwesto mo. And ang ganda-ganda na ng pwesto namin doon. So, ayoko na, so iniwan namin si Chad. And habang nandoon kami sa, habang binibihisan ko si Caleb. Kaya, sobrang ako kay Chad kasi iniwanan ko siya doon. Pero okay lang kasi na-survive din naman niya yon kahit konting lang. So anyways, so we're waiting for Daddy para makakain na dahil kami ay gutoms na.
I'm making dinner.
Ha?
I'm not making dinner.
Daddy is bringing some pizza. That's why I'm not making dinner. Hindi kasi nila allow na magdadala ng pizza ang daddy nila. But, yun. So, wait na lang tayo kay Daddy. Ayan na. They're eating pizzas. Eat up, okay? So, ayan na guys. Bedtime na.
Where were my messy Betty boy?
Na-sunburn si ate girl. Oh, look at your sunburn, oh. Look at your sunburn, how white you are. Na sunburn.
But I'm wearing sun cream.
You did, but it didn't work.
But it worked every time to me. See?
Yeah. Alright, give me a kiss. Mwah, I love you. Say good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody.
Alright, good night. Give me a kiss. Say good night. Alright, good night. Give me a kiss. Huy, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Alright, give them a kiss. Alright, give me a kiss. Mwah. Good night. Good night. Mwah. Alright, good night. Yan, nanonood pa sila ng movie. So, lagyan natin ng timer. 10 minutes. Alright, good night, guys. Good night. Good night.